Hey guys, we're so excited to announce that we have reached 3,000 subscribers now. To thank you all and celebrate this moment, we're giving away 1 month free license of our new released video editor, iMyPhone Filme. Filme is an easy and fast video editor with basic editing features, various cool effects, and one-click templates for both beginners and professionals. Now, let's check out how to win it. First, go to our Filme activity page from the link in the description below. Then, share the page to your Facebook or Twitter. After sharing, enter your email address to receive your free license. Now, go to your inbox to get the license. That's all. Quite easy. If you're wondering how to use the license, keep watching. If you have already known it, don't miss the extra bonus in the next part. Here's how you can use the license. First, download Filme on your computer. You can find the link in your received email, as well as the description below. Then, open it and click the portrait icon at the top right corner. Simply enter your email and the license to register the software. Congratulations! You can enjoy a full version of Filme for free and start to edit amazing videos with no watermark now. Last but not least, we have another bonus for you here. It's only $4.95 to get a lifetime plan of Filme. Once you get it, you can enjoy all the new feature updates in the future and no more extra fees. If you are interested, check the purchase link in the description. Just to remind you, this giveaway and special price offer are only available for a limited time. Hurry up to get it before it's gone. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like this giveaway, please thumbs up. If you expect more offers, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.